Let's set the scene. You're standing on the edge of a cliff, metaphorically of course, and in front of you are two titans, DJI's latest enterprise beasts, the Matrice 4T and the trusted Matrice 30T. Whether you're surveying land, inspecting critical infrastructure, or leading a search and rescue mission, you need the right bird in the sky. So, which one earns its wings in 2025? Today, we're going beyond spec sheets to unpack what actually matters in the field. Here's where things start to separate. The Matrice 4T is DJI's sleeker warrior, just over 1.2 kilograms at takeoff, making it light, nimble, and super travel friendly. Think of it like the pro athlete that travels light but punches hard. It's also paired with the newer RC+2 remote and upgraded DJI O4 Enterprise transmission, which makes the whole experience smoother and more connected than ever. Now, the Matrice 30T. This one's the heavy hitter. At over 4 kilograms takeoff weight, it's built like a tank, and for good reason. It's designed for tough weather, long hauls, and rugged jobs. It runs the previous DJI O3 Enterprise system, which still holds up strong but doesn't quite match the range or bandwidth of the newer tech in the 4T. Let's talk about what most of us are here for, that glorious image quality. The Matrice 4T dials it up with a massive 48-megapixel wide camera and a larger 1.3-inch sensor. Not just that, it adds a medium telephoto camera, which the 30T simply doesn't have. Add in a better low-light zoom sensor, and suddenly, inspections at dusk or in tricky lighting become a whole lot clearer. But don't count the 30T out. It brings its own perks to the game, like a built-in FPV camera, which makes real-time navigation a breeze. Its main wide camera is 12 megapixels with a 1/2-inch sensor, which is solid for everyday field work. Plus, its uncooled Vox thermal camera is great for heat detection, ideal for search and rescue or fire surveillance. So, while the 4T wins in detail and flexibility, the 30T is better geared for real-time, fast-paced field ops. What good is a powerful drone if it can't work smart? The Matrice 4T comes packed with DJI's latest AI-enhanced systems, plus a longer laser rangefinder that reaches up to 1,800 meters. That's 600 more than the 30T, which tops out at 1,200 meters. That extra reach might be the difference between guessing and knowing during a high-stakes inspection. The 30T still carries intelligent flight modes and obstacle avoidance, but it lacks some of the smarter, newer refinements that come with the 4T. So if AI-assisted missions and smarter pathing matter to your workflow, the 4T edges ahead. Now, let's talk power, because nothing kills productivity like a dead drone. The Matrice 30T features dual hot-swappable TB30 batteries, which means you can switch them out without powering down. That's golden during continuous operations or emergency deployments. Flight time? Around 41 minutes, depending on payload and conditions. The Matrice 4T flies a bit longer, up to 49 minutes, but uses a single battery that requires you to land and shut off before swapping. Not ideal in the middle of a long mission. So here's the trade-off. 4T gives you longer airtime. 30T gives you uninterrupted operation. Choose your battlefield. So, which one should you actually buy? If you're chasing portability, longer flight times, and sharper image detail, the Matrice 4T is your go-to. It's lighter, smarter, and more future-proof, perfect for industries like construction mapping, environmental research, or precision farming. But if your work lives in tougher environments where you're hopping between jobs fast and need real-time FPV, hot-swappable batteries, and a weather-hardened build, the Matrice 30T is still an absolute beast. Price? The M30T usually comes in around $9,900, while the M4T starts closer to $7,270. But that varies with kits and configurations. So, which Matrice is making your shortlist? The sleek and smart 4T or the tough-as-nails 30T? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up. share it with your drone crew, and subscribe for more enterprise drone insights just like this.